The Monetary Policy Committee will hold an unscheduled meeting on the 3rd of November. This is not for rates. This after the MPC failed to keep inflation below its 6% mandate for 9 months in a row. The committee will have to write a letter to the government explaining why it failed in its mandate. Latha joins us now with more. Latha, we have, of course, been alerting our viewers about this possibility, and now there is a date to that event.
The special meeting called of the Monetary Policy Committee on November 3 seems to be because the Monetary Policy Committee failed to keep inflation under 6% for 3 quarters in a row. It does appear that the meeting will only discuss what response the committee, that is the Reserve Bank, should file to the Government of India. Why we get this is because the announcement from the RBI today clearly says that this meeting has been called under Section 45ZN of the RBI Act. Now, 45ZN of the RBI Act clearly says when the bank fails to meet inflation target, it shall set out in a report to central government, 1, the reasons for the failure to achieve the inflation target, remedial actions proposed to be taken by the bank, and an estimate of the time period within which inflation target will be achieved by implementing the remedial actions. So, considering that today's announcement clearly says Section ZN, the meeting should only discuss what will be the response to the government. There are some people in the market who fear whether the November 3rd meeting will also take some policy action. To me, it looks less likely. It looks like it will only discuss the contents of this letter to government. An additional point, the governor has already made it clear, this letter to government is privileged. RBI will not release it in the public domain. It could be released by the government, we do not know. So at the moment, it's only a guess what the contents of that letter could be, whether, it will indicate whether the government will reply back, what it will reply. All those are still, a grey area. We will have to see how it pans out.
Latha, many thanks for joining us.